there's the Cagman Fire Station. It's like they just tore the half dang thing down. Unbelievable.
Okay, so
Wow.
you want to look for where we're going?
So now we're going to head to Forbidden Rock Island. Forbidden Island. So we are at Forbidden Island. Look out. And you really should look out. This is the place that I forbid myself to come after the first day that I was here. I never wanted to come here again because it just, I don't know, it was so scary for me. And I don't know that we can even get to it from here or see it. Can't even see it from here.
I think there's a way.
No, don't.
Gosh, the harrowing path.
Alright, I do not want to go there. So my son is crazy and he's trying to give me a heart attack now.
Can't see the island from up there. It's just so no one drives down here.
Well, I'm not going there. So there's a reason I forbid myself to come here.
Wow. You gotta come. It's not bad.
Oh, I can see it from here. I can see it from right here. This is good enough for me.
I'm not getting any closer than this.
That sucker is way down there and it's a way steep drop. And my stomach just can't handle it. I just can't handle the edge. And see, he's doing what he said he wouldn't do. Go too close. Give me a heart attack.
It's not that scary out here.
It's scary right here, where I am. It's scary where I'm standing right here. I know, it's just crazy. And just one more time, I want you to notice that the ocean is way up at my eye level here. So no matter how high I go, it's always at my eye level. And when I take off in the airplane, it will remain at my eye level. Let's see if I go over here. What can I see from over here? Oh, wow. That's a pretty nice view. Holy mackerel. It is so high up. It's just absolutely ridiculous. Ridiculously scary to be this high up. Look right over here, Lou.
That's it.
Just gotta see if I can even see myself with the rock in the background. Scariest place on earth.